Hi everyone, this is Pete Satinsky, host of the TRS-80 Trash Talk podcast and a board member of Tandy Assembly. I'd like to show you one of the significant items that will be available in the Tandy Assembly 2019 auction. This TRS-80 Model I system was graciously donated by its original owner. It came to me in non-working condition a few weeks ago. I had to do quite a bit of work on it, including replacing some chips in the video sync circuit, fixing some broken wires. I had to replace a few RAM chips, and had to do a really thorough cleaning on the drives. But as you can see, she's now fully working. It's a beautiful example of a fully kitted Model I system. It comes with the computer with 16K Level 2 Basic. It has an expansion interface with 32K of RAM for a total 48K RAM system. The expansion interface has a double density board, which allows you to use double density disks. It comes with two original Radio Shack floppy drives. The computer has a lowercase modification, including a switch here on the side, which allows you to engage and disengage the lowercase mod. This was useful for supporting software that didn't support lowercase back in the day. The keyboard is the highly desirable Alps keyboard. All the keys work, drives function, fully working system. All in all, it's a beautiful machine. So if you plan on coming to Tandy Assembly, make sure to attend the auction and bid on the machine. All proceeds go right back into the cost of running the show. So you can do your part to support the community while at the same time getting your hands on a really great Model I system. Thanks for watching. See you at Tandy Assembly.